Start by loosening these 3 screws to open the cover. Now take the harness and run the long end through the center console to the passenger footwell. Pull the end of the cable as far out as shown in the video. Connect the software module to the cable. Now start removing the instrument cluster. Follow the same procedure as shown in the video. Now run the other end of the wiring harness from the bottom up to the instrument cluster. Connect the module between the instrument cluster and the existing cable. Remove the carpet from the passenger footwell. Loosen the screws to remove the plastic cover. Then connect the plug of the software module to the plug of the car. Please pay close attention to the diagram. Install the box next to the existing multi-plug. Lay the cable as shown in the video and then screw the plastic cover back on.